no investigation, no interviews. And the reasons he cited? Because Fox News might find out.
Adam Tragone here, managing editor at Human Events. I'm here with J. Christian Adams, author of his new book, Injustice: Exposing the Racial Agenda of the Obama Justice Department. This book and this moment about, we'll get into it, but it's all about Holder and the Justice Department and the President, and mainly the new Black Panther Party escapades that happened back on Election Day in 2008. So for the reader, explain what you were doing in the Justice Department, and then let's go into a little bit about the new Black Panther Party case specifically.
Sure. I was an attorney in the voting section at the Justice Department for about 5 years, and I brought cases involving the Voting Rights Act. I brought cases involving redistricting, ballot day issues, and also voter intimidation. And so when the Black Panther case happened, it fell on my lap.
And I suppose we all remember watching Fox. It seemed like it was on Fox all day long for weeks on end. And how corrupt, I guess, is the question. How corrupt is this case in the Justice Department's hands and in Holder's hands?
Yeah, I go into a lot of reasons why and how it's corrupt in the book, but I'll just give you a couple. Okay. One is, on the day that it happened, a man named Craig Don Santos, head of the Election Crimes Branch at the Justice Department, actually wrote an email, which I quote in the book, that says, kill the investigation of the Black Panther case. This is on Election Day. Kill the investigation, no interviews. And the reasons he cited? Because Fox News might find out. Fox News might find out. It's in the book. Another reason was because the victims, which he put in quotes, were Republicans. So I guess the law doesn't apply to them. So this just gives you a sample of what the top decision makers at the DOJ were thinking about the Black Panther case as it was unfolding.
And now, could you give for our watchers and our listeners the latest developments on this case?
Well, there really isn't much happening now. It's before Congress. The House Judiciary Committee has made some inquiries to the department. Whether or not the department will be forthcoming, I do not know. And whether or not the House Judiciary Committee staff and leadership will follow up is another question I don't know the answer to.